Madagascar President Henry Rajoelina's trainers is facing collapse after groups of soldiers joined youth-led protests in the capital Antananarivo yesterday, as police used stun grenades and tear gas to disperse crowds. Sanabena mashoko buda panguwa ino zvonikwa kunzi aiwa the president of Madagascar panguwa ino officer coup panguwa ino achinzi aiwa ngaresign arove pasi nokuda kwemacomplaints ari kubva from citizens misgovernance. Not subscribe or like on the bed out. Following weeks of widespread protests against Rajoelina, who is currently the chairperson of the Southern African Development Community (SADC), an elite unit of Madagascar's army joined the demonstrations in the capital. While some consider a coup attempt against the government, the soldiers were seen being welcomed by cheering crowds, Zimbabwean-style incense, reminiscent of the November 2017 coup in Harare, albeit in different circumstances. Rajoelina, who first came to power in a coup in 2009, has condemned the protest as a coup attempt. The Madagascar leader took over the Zimbabwean president mnangagwa as SADC chairman in August. The demonstrations started on September 25, sparked by public anger over repeated water and power cuts, but have grown to encompass wider grievances about corruption, high unemployment, and the cost of living crisis. The current situation has fueled political instability, with the president holed up in hiding in Antananarivo and the Prime Minister Rufin Fortunan Zafinambo calling for dialogue between all clashing factions. Zafisambo is trying to contain the crisis by calling for calm, peace, and talks as the president is hiding. The soldiers, who said that they would refuse orders to shoot demonstrators, arrived at the heart of the gathering near the Lake Anosi area, where they were welcomed with cheers by the crowds. At a meeting in army barracks on the outskirts of the city area, the troops said they would not take action against the protesters. Let us join forces, military, guildmasters, and police, and refuse to be paid to shoot our friends, our brothers, and our sisters. The soldiers at the base in Soanrena district said in a video posted on social media. The developments are kuda chibva kuMadagascar. Panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa the Madagascar president panguva ino ari panguva yakaoma. Right now he is hiding. And panguva ino chinhu chinoshoka ndechekuti vemauto varamba kubhadharwa kuti vashude my friends, brothers and sisters. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.